When I got married, we are living well, but we are living in a one room sha. It's even in that one room that I gave birth to my 4 kids. We live in that place like many years. But later on, the owner of compound, they say they want to innovate their compound. Everybody should live. The last day we came to this market day on rent room and parlor. As we rent the parlor, I came here and registered my children. After that, immediately we entered there, it's not a week. They're sacking from job. So everything we had, everything just changed. So because of the lost job, the owner of the compound, the landlord, say we should. He gave us quick notice we should leave. That since he lost job, he cannot pay us rent. So since that time, I don't know what to do. I'm just carrying the children up and down. Once I don't have job, I don't know what to do. And I can't go to village because my mom is not, my people no more. My husband pay no more. I'm making 9 in school. I came to mommy, told her everything. She said, okay, I can bring my load. We should come and manage the school for some time. If my husband will see money and rentals. I have 4 children. 4 of them have been attending the lesson free since they started. They'll be teaching them how to sew clothes, tailoring, air fresher, and soap making. One of my children is in basic 3, so she'll be telling me about the air fresher. That she loved the way they're doing it, and she loved the way the teacher will be teaching her.
I want to be a doctor when I grow up.
I'm not comfortable in this school because of there's no permanent class, room. We are staying here. It's just in the night. You spread the shit on front of the class. Mosquito is too much. Bed all over. No dorm. So it's so far, it's too much. So when I wake up in the morning, I'll take care of my children, prepare them, put them in the class. Then I'll have to move out again and go and stay in the road till the children closed the lesson. Because as we are sleeping in the school, I cannot sit down. The children will come and meet us in the school. So I'll be patrolling up and down till the lesson closed before I will come inside. And when the teachers go home again, we'll go and hide ourselves inside class. Thank you, Special Foundation. I'm happy for the free lesson that the children have been attending since. These are the opportunities that I don't have when I was young. So, but I'm happy that as they are coming, they'll be learning many things. So I believe it will help them in future. Thank you, Special Foundation.